How to log into HSBC Bank Online Banking. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to www.google.com and press Enter. In the search bar, type HSBC Bank and initiate the search. From the search results, locate the official HSBC website and click on it. On the home page, find and click on the Log On option. On the Login page, enter your username in the designated field. If desired, check the box labeled Remember Me to save your username for future logins. If you've forgotten your username, click on Forgotten Your Username to recover it. If you are a new user, click on Not Registered for Online Banking. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Enter your date of birth when prompted. Input your password or security code in the appropriate field. If you're unsure how to generate a security code, click on How to generate a security code for guidance. Finally, click on Log On to securely access your HSBC online banking account.